Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over another Forte product, which I'm going to be showing you in a sec. But I just want to state something that a lot of people keep asking me in the comments. These Forte products work for every single car out there in the market. They are not specific just for BMW. Just go and type in the Forte that's in the video and what I'm using, and you'll see all the reviews. There is some idiots out there who give negative ones, and that's based on because they've left their car run so long like that. Then they try and use a fluid, and some of them people will say it don't work because you know what they're doing? They've got either a 4-litre engine and they're buying one tub when you're meant to buy 2 for that car, and they're trying to be cheap. You cannot expect to buy one and expect it to work on a big 4-litre engine. So I'm just going to state to you, if you've got a bigger engine, you may need 2 of these products, no matter what they are, to fulfill, because you've got to remember it's a bigger engine, it's going to use more. So let's get onto the subject in hand. So I'm going to show you what this product is, and this is another Forte product. So the product we're going to be using is the Forte Petrol Specialist Injector Cleaner. As a lot of you guys know, if you get injector problems or you feel like your injectors are getting dirty, and this goes for the M53 engine, I get asked this a lot with the high pressure injectors, you can use this oil, which is very good for doing your ordinary just injector clean or your fuel system clean. And as you'll see right here on the bottle, it removes lacquer, varnish and carbon deposits from single and multi-hole injectors, reduces exhaust emissions, improves engine performance and drivability, restores efficient fuel delivery to improve combustion process, neutralizes acids and stabilizes fuel against moisture, corrosion and decay. Compatible with indirect, direct and dual injection systems. Compatible with catalytic converters, oxygen sensors and gasoline. Compatible with all petrol fuel, including ethanol. So as you're seeing there guys, this product is highly recommended. It's something I really do recommend. I'm going to be showing you how to use it on the car. It is a really good fluid. Like I said, I've used this once before and it proved absolutely brilliant results. And for the price of it, you really can't beat it. Like, I know there's many injector cleaners out there like Wines and things like that, but in the same sense, you cannot beat Forte on what they deliver. I'm telling you right now, and like I said to you in many videos, I am not paid to do these videos. Take my word on that, I have not been paid by them by any means at all. I've been sent all these products just to do the review on and give my honest opinion, because I know about this product probably better than a lot of people. These products work. This is probably the best injector cleaner you guys can use for all your petrol cars, and it's something that works. You can even use it to pour in your spark plug holes, as I've showed you many times. It's a great cleaner. So let's get onto the car. So guys, I'm going to show you how you use this product. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your fuel cap. Then you're just going to want to unscrew that, as you see, like that. Then you're going to want to get your Forte bottle, which is injector cleaner, and then what you're going to want to do is just stick that straight in the tank like that. And you may have to hold it back until it pours in, but you just want to pour it straight into your fuel tank, as you see there. And make sure you take the cap off, as I've showed you many times. Just make sure you pour it all in so it gets into the system. Make sure none leaks out. Sometimes it can leak out as well, so just be aware of that. But you just want to pour it in like that and keep doing that until it's all finished. And you want to make sure you do this as well with at least half a tank of fuel. And this can be for any grade fuel. It doesn't matter what grade you've got. It can be for 93, 95, 99, whatever you've got. Just pour it in and it will help clear your injectors, guys. This stuff really does work, and I'm just showing you how you pull it. I don't mind putting it in mine because I haven't done it for a long time, but usually I put these in my cars. These really help transform the car and clean out any crap from the injectors that has been sitting there for a long time. So as you see guys, after it's done, you just want to put it back on, shut it back, and then that's the job done. So as you just see me guys there, I've just used the Forte Specialist Injector Cleaner on my car. Now you guys know how I feel about my cars, and I would not use this in my car if I thought it wasn't good. But I actually trust this stuff, and that's how it shows you that I do trust this stuff. Like I said to you, if I didn't trust it, I wouldn't use it. Okay, I know I didn't put the seal conditioner and I didn't put the oil fortifier in my car, but the fact is, I know they work, and if I had to, I would put them in. You guys just see me pour it in the car. Trust me, I fully 100% trust this product and back this product 100% myself. I know it works and it makes a complete difference. I recommend using this all the time after every probably 10,000 miles. But again, that all depends on you and if you can afford it, because it is quite expensive. Like I say, don't believe all the other ones you read, like Wines and Miller's and Lucas and all this kind of stuff. This Forte stuff actually works and it does what it says on the packet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's only a short video showing you another of the Forte products. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please subscribe if you haven't already. This is BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.